Pairing Acmeda wired motor to a remote. This is what the motor should look like. Insert the battery in the remote and select the channel. Connect the power to the motor or hold the motor button until you get a response. Hold stop on the remote until you get a response. If there is no response from the motor, you've either took too long, there's no power to the motor, the remote is on one-way mode, or the remote is locked. To switch the remote to two-way mode, search our channel for Acmeda remote two-way mode. To unlock the remote, search our channel for Acmeda unlock remote. Next step is checking the roll direction to make sure the up button goes up and the down button goes down. If it's going the wrong way, you will need to reverse the roll direction. Search our channel for Acmeda roll direction. If it's going the correct way, you will need to search our channel for Acmeda set limits.
If we've helped you, please help us by hitting that free subscribe button to find us easier next time. Won't cost you anything, but will most certainly help us a lot. We're not just a YouTube channel, we are real people making real products. Speedy Blinds is a super quick blinds and curtains manufacturer in Melbourne, and we don't muck around. If you're after a Speedy supplier or have any questions, please get in contact with us and we can do our best to help you.